Okay, so today we really want to focus on changing a verb from like meaning to fold to meaning I fold. So in English, the word fold stays the same. Doblar means fold, and to change it to, instead of just a general action, to say that I'm the one who's doing the action, we just put the word I in front of it. But in Spanish, we do something different. So this is called the infinitive form. In English, we would put the word to in front of it. So nobody particular is doing the action. It's the action of folding, to fold. And in Spanish, these verbs that are in the infinitive form, they end in an R. And like I said, in English, it means to whatever, to eat, to fold, to talk. That is called the infinitive form. Now over here, we have the yo form. Yo in Spanish means I, so it would translate to I fold, right? The thing about the yo form, instead of ending in an R, like the infinitive form, the yo forms end in an O. And in English, these yo forms mean I, and then the verb I eat, I talk. But we'll be taking this AR off, and then putting an O in the place. And in Spanish, you could put the yo in front. You could say yo doblo, or you can just say doblo. They both mean I fold, and either is perfectly correct. It sounds like I fold, but in Spanish it doesn't matter. You can say yo doblo or just doblo. So let's look at some other examples. Our infinitive form of cocinar, or of to cook, is cocinar, right? This means to cook. We want to change it to I cook, so we take this AR off and we put an O in its place, and it's cocino. I'm going to write a few more up here. We'll see how this looks. So let's change do another verb. How about to vacuum? So that is pasar la aspiradora. If somebody says, what's your chore? Or how do you help in your home? You don't want to say to vacuum. You would say I vacuum. That's how I help. So we're going to change this pasar. Pasar. We'll take the AR off and put an O. Paso la aspiradora. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do to take care of. So cuidar, for instance, cuidar al perro. So this means to take care of. You want to say, let's see what's wrong with this guy. Aspiradora. Okay, I spelled it wrong. Okay, so I take care instead of cuidar. We're going to take the AR off, put no. Cuido al perro. So that's how we're changing it. To cook, I cook. These verbs end in O. Okay, we're going to look at one more thing. ¿Cuáles son tus responsabilidades? Or ¿cómo ayudas en tu casa? So when you go to answer this question, you're going to list a lot of verbs in the yo form. So for example, you don't have to have any sentence frame to start. Your sentence frame is your verb. So I'm going to say, I wash the dishes. Lavo los platos. I also wash the clothes. Lavo la ropa. I straighten up my room. Arreglo mi dormitorio. Oops. Now I have more chores than this, but I'm going to add one more. I'm going to say, I dust. Quitar. I'll change that to quito el polvo. Why is it giving me a hard time? I did not mean quito. Quito means I dusted. But quito means I dust. So these are my responsibilities. This is how I help in my house. When you guys go to write yours, you'll be taking the list of verbs and making sure they're in the yo form. And you might add extra details about it. Lavo los platos cada día, every day. Lavo la ropa cada semana. I try to do all the clothes washing one day a week. So that is how it will work for you. All right. Good luck. Buena suerte.